This stunning marina town sits nestled on the island of Gran Canaria in the Canary Islands, just 200 kilometers from the African coast and the Sahara Desert. This is Living Walks. We travel the world to show you the most characterful destinations. So Puerto de Mogan is here in the southwest corner. And we're starting our walk here at the marina. It's often called Little Venice because of its little canals and its vibrant atmosphere. Now, it's a bustling tourist spot, but you can see it still maintains a lot of charm. There's a really nice little beach, which we'll see in a little while. And the town is a popular place with locals too, because it's such a relaxing place to be, and there's so many good fish restaurants. If you prefer to stay in smaller boutique hotels or B&Bs rather than resorts, you'll find this one of the best places to be on the island. These lovely whitewashed houses are just adorned with bougainvillea, framed by palm trees. It feels like stepping into a picture postcard. On the bandstand, here in the main plaza by the marina, it's famous for hosting regular jazz festivals and music sessions. One of the best things to do here is just got to be to chill out in one of the waterfront cafes, soaking in that sun. So we stayed in Las Palmas and we took the bus to the global L91, Estación San Telmo in Las Palmas. And it took about 75 minutes. And it was €6.80 each. But you can also take the L1 direct, like the L30 to Mas Palomas, and then from there the L32 to Puerto de Mogan. When is the best time to visit? Well, spring and early autumn are ideal for pleasant weather, but without the summer crowds. The average temperature is 21 degrees. That means that summer temperatures can be very nice, 27 to 28. And sea temperatures are very nice, 22. What is there to see here? Well, you've got the marina. But beyond that, there's also a regular market, there's an excellent beach, and there's very good restaurants. There are plenty of hotels here, so you could base yourself here for a week quite easily. And there are nearby bays with sandy beaches. There's the dark sand beach, El Torito. There's the golden sand beaches, like Toro, Amadores, Puerto Rico. And it's just a 25-minute drive to the famous Mas Palomas dunes and the very lively city and beach of Playa del Inglés. It's mid-January and the temperature is a rather perfect 25 degrees with a very nice breeze coming off the ocean. So you can see it's a good place to be all year round, especially in the winter. Now here's a few facts that you might not get from some other videos. First of all, Puerto de Mogan did not develop organically over centuries. It was actually designed and created and built in the 1980s. It involved the reclamation of land from the Atlantic Ocean to build both the harbour and the marina. And it was all finished in 1988. And it had a famous developer and designer, Raphael Neville, who had actually designed Porto Raphael on the Italian island of Sardinia. Now, something else you might notice, it's a bit strange, is as you walk around the back streets, if you find an unusual pointy looking rock on a pedestal, the name Piedra Picua, this was actually used as a navigation aid. It's visible from great distances, so the fishermen could tell exactly how they should approach the marina from a distance. They just have to line themselves up on the rock. The beach. sheltered by a rocky breakwater, so you can really enjoy calm waters here. And there's lots of different water activities going on. You can rent a kayak, go on a boat tour, or you can try out parasailing right here from the beach. I hope you've enjoyed our walk here in Puerto de Mogan. We have lots more walks on our channel, in the Canary Islands, in fact all over the world. So I hope you'll join us again.